Hi everyone, it's Jen from Creative Housewives, and today I'm going to teach you real quick how to upload an image into Design Space and how to work with that. So I am here in Design Space, I am on my canvas, and I already have an image saved that I want to use. So I'm just going to come down here to upload. And then I'm going to select Upload Image. I'm going to hit Browse. I'm going to go to my recents because I know it's here. And then you can see I have this image and it just says, and the stockings were hung. This was a cute font that I liked. So I created it outside of Design Space so that I could have the font like just right the way that I wanted it to, since I knew I wasn't going to need to be messing with it. So now I'm going to go ahead and select simple here because my image is just black and white. If you were doing something that had a lot of different variations of color, then you would, either choose moderately complex or very complex. This is not, so we're going to go ahead and select simple, and then I'm going to go ahead and click continue. And then you can see that we have just the images here. But if I come down here to preview, it is just a black image. The reason that it would do that is because it thinks that all of this is part of the image, all of the white. So I'm going to show you how to go ahead and remove that. You have a couple options up here. There's select and erase, and then crop. I'm going to start by cropping just because I have a lot of extra white space here on my image. So now I can go like this, and you can see the image has shrunk down, less white space to worry about getting rid of. Now I'm going to go ahead and select the select and erase tool. The reason I'm going to use this is because my image, the contrast between the white and the black is very easy to see, and the computer will be able to pick that up very easy, or the program will. So if I just click this, now you can see that my entire background is that checkerboard pattern that tells you that it's going to be invisible, except for everywhere where the lines are closed and these sections were locked in. So now what I can do is I can use that same select and erase tool and just click inside and go ahead and erase each of these inside images. I'm going to go ahead and do all the big pieces here, and then I'm going to zoom in so that I can get inside the E's, and even, I think I could probably get this O here. Can't tell if I got that or not. Oh, there we go. Now it's got it. So now I'm going to go ahead and zoom in. You can see that it allows us to get in there really close. So then I can click inside that E. I can get inside the bottom of this S here. And you just want to check and see, like I can see on this that there's, the white box and then a little bit of the purpley color box. So I know that it has been erased. So I'm just going to keep going through and select the insides of each of these. Looks like it got that one. Inside of both of these E's. And then I got all that. So now, before I hit continue, I'm going to go ahead and select preview again and just make sure that I don't have any areas. So like the insides of all of my letters, you can see there's the nice opening there on the E's and the S's, inside the K there, the bottom of that S, both of my E's. Great. Everything looks great. So I can hit hide preview. Then I can select continue. And then you have options. So you can save this as a print then cut image. So if you are wanting to print this out and then have your machine cut it, you could do that. Or you can save it as a cut image. I am going to be saving it as a cut image because of the project that I'm going to use it for. So I can select save as cut image. My image, when I uploaded it, was already named and the stockings were hung. So I have that already saved. So now I can select save. You can see it's right here in my recently uploaded images. Now I can select this, hit insert image, and it's here on my canvas ready to go. So now I can resize, do whatever I need to do. But that process is the same whether you're using fonts or whether you're using an image. And I will get into more detail on how to do in another video. This is just a quick beginner video for uploading, but how to do something that maybe has multiple colors or things like that. So I hope this was helpful, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Don't hesitate to leave any questions in the comments, and we will make sure and come back and answer those. Bye.